Pokemon hunting in Tracy, California. Oh, put the can down for that real quick. All right. I've gotten some luck in here before with some packs. Nothing crazy, but I got some free time coming back from the Bay Area, so I figured why not see what we can come up on tonight. I want to do some rips, so let's see what we got. I'm looking for anything, honestly. All right, here we go. Nothing. Whew, my luck has been pretty bad lately, but it's all fun. We live to rip another day, y'all. Good night.